Hey guys, it's Molly. I'm gonna do another abstract piece tonight. I've really been digging those. And a lot of you have been asking about the piece behind me, which is just a piece I did with brushwork to kind of resemble like a nebula in space. And it took me a really long time to do. Actually, it was multiple layers, but if you guys want, I can try to recreate something similar and show you guys that as well, and maybe I can talk through some of that. Tonight's gonna be to music still because it took me a really long time. It takes me a really long time to make these pieces, and so instead of having you guys sit there for, an hour, I speed it up so you can at least see the process. At the end of this video, I'll put my supplies and kind of what I use for blending and things like that, but I'm really just using acrylic paints on this. The paints that are in the squeeze bottles, the LoliVEFE squeeze bottles, those are mixed with pouring medium, but the paints that you see squeezed out of the Arteza tubes, that's all it is, just Arteza paint. So hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much for following me along this journey. I really appreciate it. All right, you guys, here it is. Oh, my lights are in the way. There are the balloon smashes. This started out, I wanted it to almost, okay, so the idea that I had in my head was like a sound wave this way, and then like the motion of sound that way. But what it kind of ended up looking like is like jellyfish going to the surface. I don't know, you guys can let me know. Either way, I really like it. I like the painted parts that you can still see the brush strokes in. I like the kind of dimension that it's got to it. It's really cool. All right, you guys, so at the very end, I show you the materials that I'm working with, and as I kind of go along, I'll teach you piece by piece what's going on. So thank you guys for watching. Happy painting. Bye. Okay, you guys, here it is dry. I've turned it vertical. I actually really like it vertical, and it does kind of remind me of jellyfish. Totally not what I was going for. I'll put it the other way. Wow, look at those balloon effects. I mean, it dried really, really great, and it's, let me see if I can, that metallic is really pretty. It's almost flat. There's just like this tiny little ridge on it, but I actually like it that way. So there's all the metallic portions of it. So hold on and I'll turn it the horizontal and let you see. Okay, there it is, horizontal. I really love the gradient on the background. That got blended really well. But I think I like it vertical the best. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. You can stick around at the end. I show you all the, well, some of the supplies that I used. And until next time, happy painting. Bye. I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I'm using. So I'm using Arteza paints. I take the end of my Winsor & Newton titanium white bottle and I mix a little bit of water with it, and I keep it almost like a flow acrylic, and I use that as a base coat on the canvas so that I can blend the colors. These are just a sponge pack that I got, and I've uploaded a lot of this stuff to my Amazon store as well. You can see it under the abstract art list that I have. These are just regular balloons. I blow them up to different sizes. This is a paddle brush. Liquitex makes one. That's the one I have here. And then just regular brushes, artist brushes. Just regular, this is a very soft bristle. I use that to blend some of my colors as well. And then somebody asked, does LoliVEFE make squeeze bottles? Yes, they do. And I have my regular pouring medium in these. So that's what I've been doing. That's what I've been using to make these kind of abstract balloon smashes. So there you go. Hope that helps.